updates. You know, I think say it's very important. Say you best start with private life because private life. To start tonight's program. First of all, this private life, in the past, yes, TV, 7 years of age. To me, Ajnaso, and limited to remain in the United States. But say, Nana Assessa, Amana, I am dead. Say no. Say yes. That is not for the
lawyer. Nekasa ni chichwesi oho. Lawyer, me pacho free so na assign ebra ebiomu efa emame. Was serious Auntie Abena break the news for us. Yes, news radio. Lawyer, take yourself out. Nesai ebra subiemu efa emame because na minya discord wo honom enti no me pacho. Share okay, yo, I go for medamo ase medamo bibiara se lawyer Emi ebeba so sesi ana ya twetwe enkomo no lawyer Emi one of the senior solicitors ewo Abena solicitors omu t-shirt na ehweme no Abena Skimpe Atre TV aha se ye ni agro ewo ha se Awurade adom enkonfo a yanam omo anam eye dwumadie yi so Awurade ehira wo ma bie kwan afa wo monto mapa efura ewo across global no eye won countable etime paucho aha se ye ba ye ni agro wa ha aha nye just ordinary platform a ye kan kofo nsem ana ya kofa bibi ne de abetena ha ye kan dabi aha ye platform a eye tangible platform aha platform wey is registered to the Home Office platform wey Ekromi ha government aware of this platform entinye just ordinary debi enti se wo lawyer bia wa ha me lawyers de oba me ma wo meye wanimu straight emfa metena ha me ma wo mfa wo lawyer ni me intimidate nipa enti wo ba ha se ya wo se lawyers ni nyomo siguso hwe lawyer me se ment se mote se me kasa me kan bibi ment na me de atwam se fita tija sparkling almost almost sociable lovely because why so wo yare dienti a me metena ha obi be kasa sister abana opekasa metena se a medwuma medie no different among everybody. If I am hosting as a lawyer, me hosting lawyers I am different among everybody because why enipa no de wo betie me no bia wanya letter bia ye refuse no bia ye detain no bia ya che no odobi nkrata akoya ade am wanya asem me ye motivational speaker enti no minimu se de ye nipa enye lawyer obetena ho anu aye wanimu straight se de ka apem na wo be hunahuna ye dabi asem no ehu kra na I know how to present it. I mean to be on the program so no nimia or sister wo pekasa do pekasa wo nya ma lawyer nka me de me ye no lawyers no mo nye eno de me including me lawyers de me ye e wo me program so lawyer Emi or the camera sin anim onye da asem bi wo a wo nka enti me lawyer tenase a me ma wo different among us. Omo ye lawyer de omu ni bi na minim ba misua de misua mra enti wo ba platform we say so a se asoma wa akoka kire omo se wo ba ye no oye different among them. Aha say we educate people, we give it to the community, and the radiadom is recognized there. Why enti mesramo mo ba ha say ya obia no enye na afemu de wo share video no no afa obi because the papa ba ye beba be can we provide it what you say aha lawyer Mame update no what the farmer ne teacher for the no because obi prepare himself. Share video no me wi amen frame me. Mon fa lawyer Amy a number the number and the screen so no ye di bronya ene the last day for the year 2022. This week in no me lawyers no be ama program. Ene omu nyina last day. Eti me pacho tro lawyer number. Ebi ana wonam na ka bo so aben. Ebi a wonam na police agina wo. Ebi a asem ya ye bekan kura no we interested, we eager to come to UK. With the school and eba. Men kotwa fake certificate bi ama ha. Lawyer ene wo ho no wo betimi afa no obeboa. Lawyer yenko eye good news no eso emfa ema Ghana for eye teachers no give a little bit of it because nyame adoma next year no ye be ekomu ye pa na yenko eye private life no eso.
All right. Sister Abna, I think news where they a very good news. Our free Ghana ever. Yenya ni say Ghana for teachers. They are the best teachers in the world.
Omo the best.
Omo the best teachers in the world. I can attest to that, right? Because I've been to school in Ghana before and they are the best teachers in the world. Apart from subjects are demon for mathematics, physics, biology, or even chemistry. It can be religious education, it can be sports education, whatever it may be, teachers, whatever it may be, assistant, teacher, headmaster, we are part of the as young, as part of our language. Of course, we speak English as well. When they are selecting teachers, selected Ghanaians as part of how do we call it, preferred teachers are UK ha betimi ayeden abetrade intimi pese obia timi tie bi na utimi inform your family ne wo friends about such excellent news, and next year ebesi so betimi aye applications. First of all, must say we ba UK ha so we make it the correct visa application, and yes ba keke debi. There's something I say here. There's a specific type of visa I say here. We cannot go into, how do I call it, all the details. But we have to remember, say, as a teacher, you are classified as a skilled worker. Into here, obia or possesses magnificent skills. No, I say we a skilled worker application. Unto me, application biasa they no. On top of that, they are speaking directly to teachers. Almost you have to have some teaching skills and experience. So you can teaching skills and experience. I said, and I said, what do you get painting for a teacher? What do you masters into the final for a teacher? They can perform they go to the field and what the real collapse. Only adults, it's massive one year. We say a profession on a monthly basis, experience of a better left, right, and center. But it could be said we are only a teaching assistant, and our experience is so elaborate. However, also what's our experience? How do we call it? Ghana or more national service. Our mom so much me be a teacher send for after your national service. Some skilled workers as teachers, they present now. The issue usually with skilled worker applications, what I find is the issue. There is a problem with our community. And they say, no, how to start, how to go about it. Visa no keka aba. That answer is not the right answer. I say yetimi shushe ejuma ni bi. Internet is so ejuma no abu. There are so many positions, potential positions are ubetimi afebi. Now what make you application come on. We have to remember say nye positions ni nya as teachers no so ubetimi apply for. The reason being is that the employer, the organization, the academic institution, no, and the sponsorship, the home office sponsorship license, betimi issue you with a certificate of sponsorship. Eba krumha. It is a these are the things that you need to look out for. These are the jobs. Organization now. Bia. Also, they have that ability to sponsor you. And your school bia what I would do is say after this program, made a list of all of the schools that have that home office sponsorship license. Ebetudra. Na ye chance ahwehwem akom website so ahwe say are there job offers available for such teachers, are there such opportunities available na yentimi nye applications moye hwam no so ebetimi aboa ama abedru krom ha asomdwem. So at the moment, this is what I have to say about being a teacher. And on top of that, I don't think they've mentioned any specified qualifications, which means that the school nankasa bekacho qualifications are SLO, experience are also SLO. It just depends on the school in question. As I said, they may say with the list of schools no betuja, and then we have the chance to do our research and work accordingly. So that is what we have to say about this teaching, what do you call it, skilled worker as a teacher. Apart from that, is it yempe obia say obia keke betimi apply as a skilled worker. Omo obia clean criminal record. Sister, I think wanted to come in.
Lawyer me pacho any promotion ni enough enti fa list of school bi antudwa. Nyame ya adomo a January, because nipo mo hwe no omo teacher for mo Ghana no omo do so si nipo mo hwe no teacher for mo Ghana omu hia this program no omo do so esi nipa wo mo hwe na na esi be me papa wo so hwe me na na esi be kofia wo na fofo teacher for ni nyina me ho so ahye ba hye koma wo na fofo ni nyina e wo Ghana e ho yo lawyer to aso na mo me fa list of schools no ema and farmer omo because nipo mo hwe no enye enough yenko.
All right, Inti, we have to have who apply to come as a teacher. Your criminal record, you have to make sure say pass the criminal record, professional safeguarding checks. It is hard running all these tests, Ghana to get a good record check with the Ghana police. Just say, would they what any criminal offenses? Can I say you in some instances, UK say we're teaching minors, children of the parents, they will be allowing people more a certain type of criminal record and background until they have to make sure due checks nansana ubetimi ayeden abakrom ha abetrewa de kama. You see, as I said, the important thing, very important, say you have to pinpoint your job search. Any school now so sister, now the most important thing is say schools are what they have the home office sponsorship license. You don't want to be going for primary, secondary, or tertiary institutions. Omunisa home office sponsorship license. So we need to gauge our research. We need to make sure, say, you apply through the right resources at the right time. So this is what I have to say about this teacher on the skilled worker route. We are going to make a lot of applications in 2023 for these teachers. UK from her because as I said, your talent are every Ghana as teachers me abo omobaso because they are excellent and they know how to teach. Into this 2023, you better make sure say you better make it the right applications. Ama munya muye teacher for na ya boamo abakrom ha amana ye. Thank you so much for that. And if there's any questions, Bia Mube Bisa, during the course of this program, we'll be very happy, very happy to help you with that.
Yeda lawyer ase na chese Ghana for mate menti pacho fa news no ema wa down for bia oye teacher we also obia head teacher teaching assistant obia timi eba ebi we ye national service personnel obia timi eba bi lawyer kasa no okanse bia mani eje ho o se o pe eye school na per school a omo sponsorship and na make us say the same like healthcare nurses any healthcare assistants are you do mo be komi ha wuntimi mfa book and our passport and our certificate now we met na internet so me pe adwuma aye e was so hye care home a omo sponsor a omo betini afa nipa free outside United Kingdom enti we kokotena internet ho a afei na wo ba be pe adwuma afei na wo ba be search for school a omo sponsorship and in the be here say bia na Ghana o kwa adwuma we need time a wo de be hwehwe we your time a kono hwehwe by yourself so we need mra obetimi any lawyer edinsa wo so lawyer boame na mpe adwuma school adwuma teaching assistant ana me pe teacher me pe head teacher me pe hwan me pe primary me pe secondary me pe university lawyer boame obeboa wo na mom obeji uska because enu de enye free enu de enye free enu nti ena mesre wo bibiara se fro wunua bi na ka kire wunua bi se akonya aba abeda ho nyame ya adoma start next year 2023 February just around the corner enti I was so prepare wo ho edit wo boaboa wo ho test bi wo ho I was so koya ni nyina efato ho enipa amoshe ye no eno so enka ene no me professor enka eno ne beka na ye de mo be ye mo requirement no ya say requirement no
I'm not sure say mo Timin can sister Abna.
lawyer motimenka okay all right enti the brother me kan yina me kan wi ho na me ka say the lawyer e chire mo ne the lawyer e kan no say eye teachers for the no na lawyer person o dey eye website no e ba betutudwa me se there be because nipa ono ehia saa de we no mo do so sen mo a mo hwe yen enti no se wo be frɛ wo nua bi na be share video na e bia wo tie me wo ye teacher ni wo pese wo ba eye program bi ana pese wo be kyera de e wo kromi ha e bia wo ni me wo school time a wo de be pon schools ni nyina no e wo se wo pe school a omo wo sponsorship e te se wo be school ha and it is a necessary so program no sanity enye school bia and it was sponsorship to bring somebody ewo outside United Kingdom so we beba be adwuma wa ha enti wo kotene internet ho a bia wo bebre ebeye wo den se wo benye school list of school ne de egu yensem egu me phone yusu bebre lawyer enkobabubo ena mesemo omobo because enipa omohwe no enye enough I was say bebo list of school no e de ato a wo person lawyer emboa wa wo friend na after the program abena solicitors omo numbers ena was no omo base e was Stratford bia wo kromi ha sei wo nua e wo Ghana wo papa wo Ghana wo bra wo Ghana wo momo no ne lawyer eni sa wo so ebe ye better asense wo no momo wo Ghana no be frɛ lawyer me pa me pese me nua ba eye adwuma yi bi me nua pe school adwuma me nua kyerɛ de lawyer ebetimi anya adaje apɛ school ye already ni yenim schools a omo sponsors yenim schools a omo pɛ nipa eno ani so lawyer betena ne computer nim eno de enye free lawyer fee de ubetwiaka because oye intermediate na momo no school na e fa wo no eye free of charge you don't pay for nothing nyame ya adomo a yesi next year January mu a ye do all this no eno ne bebo hu dawuro da bia because program no start nyame ya adomo a February 2023 adwumadi ne hyase but ye ma wo just a bit of it say ne be ya obe prepare wo ho say we go school a we late say ne obe kan brofo ekrom ha say ne ye kyerɛ nkra de aha say ye the sounds ene kasa etimi nyina no ukọ Google na wo bo how ye kyerɛ nkra de wo krom ha wo be hu say eye different among Ghana na wusua enti by the time a wo the application betum omo be frɛ interview no now you know what's up na wunim de wo beye na wunim de wo beka ahaye ntiatia nkora ahaye mu akora ye mu school for na make yo school ni antwitwi ne se antimi ko kan chen so wonu mu bon enti sa nwema ni nyina no you have to know all this and sana was step into it me pacho fe wo bi na ka kire wo bi se enne nkomo na ye die no edos sister Abena, please let us put there me pacho wo kan please na ahye ma nipa tan a enkamaka what you say enkamaka hye enipa a hye yen sesi a lawyer enipa a hye yen 250 omo ma like emu 30 omo ma like emu 30 enso ye sister Abena fama me wey ukoya obi be kwa akọjo 10,000 pounds o se me do be school me do be kyerade wo krom ha ba me ma ba e be ka ni free wo 10,000 fa sho botom yi mu 1,000 e fa ma lawyer se 2,000 o fa ma lawyer on fanya application ma wa ba program so like ya wo se asante darlington wo se me like enipa mo hwe yen no o like o gina so ne kwa na hi so gina so wo hwe Ghana for dear udi Ghana for chi unye papa da lawyer yanko eye private life enipa no do so a mema wo de eye website no kwa de da ho mema wo di schools a ehia enipa no e de ato yanko Lily Lamte uye teacher Lily ye wi afre me wate wo bebe bi why ye wi afre me Lily de wa wo ka bi amefa ama wababi yes lawyer yanko
all right inti private life no what's say emrebi my colleague obeka exceptional circumstances was obeka say meet emrana then yeah outside the rules no omubetimi ahwe exceptional circumstances the ma unkrata wo krom ha well if you look at the new appendix, private life, and more be about exceptional circumstances. But I see if you live in the UK less than 20 years, but there's some significant obstacles. Say you can't say significant obstacles. Say you can't treat more bibi asiu kwine untimi and san ko Ghana, for example. Bibi wo hopotia untimi nko. There's no chance untimi nko baka. In within the law, it is enshrined within the law. Say ese omuhwe sadie no onya di 20 years. No, you've not gotten to that point yet. Ebia now with the 14. Ebia now with the 15. And I said you are on the verge of getting into 17 or 18 years. But bibi an obstacle. An obstacle, significant obstacle. Bibi I see kwan in to mean call Ghana back. For example, metimi ama scenario ebia who has 16 years. Who British partner ha. Mun sheda niba. However, no, British partner or back from a previous relationship. Sabano we di 15 years and now 14 years or nyandi 18. One we shani bibia say a parents evenings are one odi kind because who kun oye British no or no de or ne juma oye or you're legally employed with baby, but who a stay-at-home partner, stay-at-home wife, Ausha akola or your stepchild. What sa akola no so no, you bet me can as per the case law no, what stepping into the role of a parent, into unshada and biological parent. Only parental responsibility for sa akola no. Sebi so uko share birth certificate no so within anyhow say biological mother of sa akola no. However no enyama uye masa akola no say uye stepmother uye partner to ebia wo partner wo fie nti wo hwe na akola no say wow uye more than a parent because uye bibia parents etimi say ye ban emran mu a ye betimi aka say and this new law I can say a private life no this is a significant obstacle where a semi kwan akola we a mahwe no ebia wa hwe no odi be 7 now start say wo hwe no uni ni papa atna ekosit emrain wo pese wo regularize wo stay wo krom ha into wo catch am say we a significant obstacle akola ni nyeme ba onyame ba minim sa onyame ba mom but by virtue of your warrior no afa wa be me stepchild and I say me free ha kwa ebia na akola no cry ontiapo ebia na akola no was some sort of disability me ma wo examples and I will say disability akola we wono ese me tena ne nchen ma tena ne nchen be 8 years ni ma be ti say ni maame an me nyani maame but ma be ti say ni se me share akola se me free ha kwa akola we obet to about the psychological well-being as me physical well me na me hwe ne bibi amano emra we aba one nipa 20 years deputy sister 20 years oh my god 20 years is me 5 years I can't 6 years but sometimes there are some significant obstacles that stop you from going back to your home country and so to me consider for example ebia o krom ha what worry obi a oye British and now obi a okita indefinite leave to remain say ye tia say sa nipa kron no say e ba na say mu be gin krata by virtue of being a spouse no say wo sa kwa Ghana na because say what overstay wo krom ha no say wo fa wo back wo Ghana back now akoye application aba but let's give you an exceptional circumstance. Let's give you a significant obstacle that stops stop you from going back to Ghana. For example, maybe a wukun and a yiri a British passport and a indefinite leave to remain no or settlement no one hono. You can say so what if that person maybe a very serious one in chain wow shano bibia mano eba ni yare hu obe chichenin drona wana wo obe fano efrim pam akodware no wana udan in chain uye ni bibia ni dua no mu ni bibia mo but apart from the personal care o mano no ushenin crime was psychological support awude mano emotional support ni nyano accounting towards something. Na utumi jina hos akase me queen and me real or krom ha. Our British passport, our settlement, way a significant obstacle because by virtue of their health condition, by virtue of their disability, you know, Upese ujina sa significant obstacles ho. Ekasa mintimi nko because me kwa me kun ana me yiri way obe deteriorate. Nya na me ye ne bibia, ne emotional support, ne psychological support, ne physical support. These are things like say and yet 20 years spend out with me at Jinaswaji. And what is beautiful is before it was outside, some of it, and it's still there, outside the rules, exceptional circumstances. But now they've made provision. So significant obstacles put their action. So yeah, application and you better me at Jinaso Ajiwon Krata. So these are some of the changes on my year. These are some of the changes. Again, we can talk again about the 7 years. 7 years no at first na wo appendix FM mu. Almost say we body 7 a. Mbetumi akeka mo ho. Akodi 2.5 years. Ede aye mu stay wa krom ha. And no try say wo 10-year route no so. But now almost say akola e wa krom ha. We did 10 years continuously ye wo no ha. Continuously here for 7 years. Sorry. For 7 years no. Ubetimi aje indefinite leave to remain. Amasa akolano. Let me tell you why I know your advantage. Anka old rules na appendix FM no so ko jinaso no. Kai say akolana we di 7 no you betria at least 2.5 years back another one. And sana obedru stage in the crowd we apply for the British passport. But in this case, we are going straight for indefinite leave to remain. It's a change. Brand new. Boy, ye chrome for and cophobia or pesa application or chrome ha. Another issue I wanted us to have a look at, say, before no, so we share paragraph, what do you call it, 276 ADE. Now, Muka said, a person who is 18 but under the age of 25. Now, omo now omo bibi so omo be ma 2.5. So we did 10 years or so. And also hard drink kakra. A hard drink for the pure fact, and they say sometimes these are young adults are already 18 and above. A true time, yeah, omo person omo call university, omo person call union. So yen nyanim say here settlement, indefinite leave to remain. Ansana university no ansana student loan company no betimi ama obibi kakra dia twa fees ne wo loans ne wo grants ne bursaries ne bibia until everybody is looking for indefinite leave to remain. Afe no omo the concession bia ba ama sankofo no omo say you can apply for leave to remain on a 60-month basis. Say, 60 months, or more, say instead of 10, you can apply for an optional. Bet me apply 5 years until it cuts your time down. It cuts that time down the amount until say, ubeti me annual indefinite. Instead of 10, you can apply for the 5-year route. I bet me I'm what you indefinite fast. I'm a won't now and chat too much. That is also very good news. Now, in 2023, let's look into the EU settlement because so much has happened concerning the EU settlement. So you share the latest guidance. What they say. The guidance be on the EU settlement scheme on the 9th of November 2022. Some of the guidance no nije in sempa and asemne de etowa sumwa. The first thing that they raised in the Home Office guidance, I thought was very good. Say, almost a settlement for those family members are apply for BBI friend indefinite leave to remain, settled status. Almost say sankofono said documents ni nya say over the 5-year period. The qualifying period no se ni nya ni ho a Home Office ya bo Home Office staff no edaro say they be sa nkofo applicants where amoye family members are uhwe omunya mamo a omo presenting no omo 5 years a tire kwan no omo say you have the Home Office caseworkers no e say omo hwe omo ankasa almost system. So check it say over the 5-year period, oh yeah, with residence card, for example, some of the documents are now one. That's almost system so now. Yeni nyanim say sometimes call for settlement. Now what worry? What should that worry come on? For your residence card and for your pre-settled, now what worry? Afe person will indefinite leave to remain. But unfortunately, no, divorce enyam by. But separation abadienum. Inti afe ukoje onipa chrono passport anani ID card keke. Wode koka ho no. Na akoya asem ukobisa na obeka se debi because aware no enyanguye. However no munye good in good terms. Ebia asem abamuntem inti at the separation aba. At a same way, a Timmy hard dream pa in the past, not a Timmy hard dream because now I yet clients no worry say many an ID card free him, ni passporty may day assume. But kai pass say home office guidance, but just last month say I saw almost share almost system. So say first application oh yeah the buy no or record of any of those documents I say any application. Inti say onipa chrono use ID card. As we all know, ID card ni passport no. It was 10 years expiration date. Inti ebia ude application to na aka be 7 years or 8 years or even the full 10 years na kai say 5 years down the line na ukoji indefinite. Sa passport egusu wo ho is valid. I want system so they can look back at that. Ebi kra na your marriage certificate kra no mpesa or the bema and no ye the main document as a family member main document. Whoa, why you disturbed? Because marriage certificate only pa we mpesa or the bema kai pa say home office system no so omo instructions home office guidance omo guidance say sani pa chrono on marriage certificate in ba but in the past or the marriage certificate can ho ba ya hwemo system so etimi application in man pa chrono metimi aka say at Abinel solicitors no apart from the home office guidance no ye bebo ho ban with the latest case law and now even case law that is precedent aye gusu use aye relevant law ye betimi use the case of Barnett kra abwa we obi a unni with documents wo nchen a there are no documents into usro kai pa say home office guidance protective Anna Abinel solicitors we are also there to protect and help you na ma oje wo nkrata amane bibia ye boko. Now another update for 2022 ye wo EU for bebre ahodo bebre a omo ba krom ha na omo ye Germany and now omo kita Dutch passport and now omo kita we Italian book and now omo kita Spanish book but omo ba ye no omo ba broche UK my mo be 10 years 15 years ni UK my mo be ye omo debia emma omo chance emma omo to me say aye de say die and dey say me wo British passport and so ebeye me de sadie no beye me de utumi who said there are a lot of people are omo French citizenship but omo san koje British passport. The big question is what does it mean for their family members? Afa ni dey what you British passport enti na che say wo family member wo worry no ni nkrata ebesaya na. Well, the home office guidance omo guidance towards this thing omo say they be they naturalize it as British citizens in sono. Omo were covering beer and say yede mo. Despite the fact say they've naturalized as British no. One say omo exercising treaty rights in their EU pass with their EU passport. So me can say treaty rights now. Ebi omo Spanish passport and now Italian book omo krano. Omo dia ye juma continuously for a period of 5 years, a period of 10 years, a period of 15 years. No more could you book here. British book here. It means say still as a would do application a 2 more. And so mo J now more acknowledge it. Now once who indefinite I will shishano. Once who unsabeka asundremo. That is another brilliant update. Be a modia bab. And no crano, your case law, a sound protective woman so count. Into say who was sub position. If you have the mind, say who person will naturalize it at Abinel, you bet me an abwa amawaji British book. Fe. Odi rienswa. Now we are EU ni or dual citizenship. Now you are worried about whether say ubetimi ama family adjoin it based on your EU, and now say whether ubetimi adjo settlement ama family member will chrome her. Yeah, ka wo Home Office guidance 2022 November yeah say ensuro ubetimi anya sa covering no. Yeah, sa covering no ubetimi anya bi. Now, with sa case, the Zambrano. We spoke about Zambrano throughout the course of 2022. Zambrano, you can hear some say, "Oh, yeah, a primary carer of a British citizen. Ubetimi aji Zambrano nibi. Amana ye would de case be by your friend Atkinson Sanya." And can say, "Oh, at first, no case, no air progressing through the courts in the UK. No, and can say, oh, so you'll be cry now all limited leave to remain." Now, but you are a primary carer of a British citizen. There has to be some provision for Sa Nkofoni. There has to be some kind of provision. But Ekoya up to said June 2022. Omujina so can say yemrano EU law no. I said nipa limited leave to remain no. They are exempt persons. Sankofono omuntimi enkasa omuwo 2.5 nibino. They are now going again. The guidance look I said those people no more limited leave that no. There's a bit of a restriction or untimi enkasa over 2. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, adofo me pamoche wo bibia wa ka me ho eye Abena Solicitors ena one no etwetwe enkomo no eye lawyer Amy eye one of the senior solicitors se me na lawyer kire ya mememu ene lawyer obi amo ne nsema no wa ya de so far me see Abena skimpe woni metena se me ka kire lawyer woni metena se etwa so 1 2 3 4 na se some ye wo present ho na ansesa na chese wo se nipa teacher bebre and obi a mo ne nsema lawyer Amy obi a wa ya de lawyer me testel na me se won hwe wa ya de everybody show lawyer kasa no was started free said the whole of this year update aba ewo immigration no and wo be ma obeyi ho entoma or started from a 7-year route no ye nyina ye ni me se ekromi ha emra by law and be a wo Ghana wo tie me what say yes United Kingdom me wo UK enti aha e na make us free aha emra e na me wo mi di mra fra mra dware mra e bo mra e yeduku e me ehye no enti UK die wo de mra e do misuko a me pejaw aha say ye nyina ye ni mu say before wo be wo ama wo yusu wo ba e di agye nkrata no na wo maami ana papa no mumu baako ekura eye nkrata either so wo kura 2.5 years 5 years 7 years indefinite British passport de wo kura no obana be kura bi ana se mumi nyina no both parents mumi nyina muni nkrata bia mumi nyina maboma ba yes ediba because this week menya nipa 4 5 6 7 wo mo afre me say o maba as a student ono na yiro real eyire ene baaye we nya madaka eyire ene ba kroni ha ba ono ne yiri nyina no man ko school no omo visa no yetwam enti in this case so omo mienu omo wo a omo ba ni ntimi nyankrata wo kroni ha agese akra no enya 7 years watene kroma the private life nyina no watene ha for 7 years akra ni tena ha 7 years a nanka before no akura ninya 7 years a yebema no indefinite 2.5 years maami benya 2.5 years continuously for 10 good years and this year update eba wo ho say akura bia watene kuromi ha for continuously for 7 years no sa akura no 7 years ne so a instead say be man 2.5 years no ye man indefinite leave to remain akura no ba wo maame ana wo papa ne de obeji 2.5 years and no na lawyer kama ni besi so say ebua because emremu wa ha no wo ba kroma na wo ni nkrata wo be wo ha oba ni nkrata owo ho kwan so ko school from kindergarten akwa ni be ko school from nursery akosi eye 6th form eye free of charge untia hwe na mmom se wo ba ni start university dia utia obi okra British passport okra utia university eminti ne mo student finance et lawyer kama ni besi so say we need indefinite leave to remain a uko university a ubetua ka o ma me no papa ajeso mo koye 12 hours running shift and o maboaboa no e dia mawo aba betua eye wu school fees. One, you don't qualify your student finance and no lawyer say e ba ye no aboa because obia ne ba eco university only indefinite leave to remain e bia na watena half of me age ye de ne ba kroma no sa nurses fo ya mo ba hai e bia wo ba wo de wo ba enti wo ba ne tena half of me age akwanya wo ho say ye manu indefinite leave to remain enti wo kama ni besi so say ebua ema omu ko university no ebua wo mo pa eno wo kan besi so say eye British passport eno na ye mede me pa cho e bia wo time so say wo so kwaje British passport bro fu no ntimi nkotworo me pa cho fe lawyer omo dia from Paul amante mosen di kanfo e bia brofo no wo de pen ni susu ana apa wo de pen ni susu a theory na apa wo kwotena eye so mo ye oral wo kwotena oral eye Trinity College wa ye busa say what is your name? Was matriculation. Hey, what is your name? Was matriculation. Excuse me, I beg your pardon. What is your name? I say matriculation. Me pacho, don't worry. Winning man, winning lawyer. A minty na and there was one year recap. A minty British passport no boss no kwano and me two chamano. It will be a beauty with time as so. E bia o can say ukra German passport meaning say Germany for money dual citizen. E we ekromi ha. But or the Germany e example e de ma say. For example, e bia ukra German passport, ukra Belgium passport, ukra Holland passport, ukra Italian Spanish passport. Now per se we ye naturalization akwanya ewo ho e de emaw e wo so koye English test e bia English test no untimi nka brofo no the way you want e bia untimi ntro lawyer say don't worry all kasa no ye say o say don't worry e na me nso ma ye bia kire no lawyer say the understand is abem hey adress kimpe lawyer bon say ma me ansa mato aso bon say ma me menye ye na me ni good mood ba na menye good mood bon say lawyer bon say ma me also be a good teacher pa.
Very, very good.
So who feeling me and I who feeling me? Hey, baby, I'm missing a person. Was see, don't worry. No, you say, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Like I said, don't worry. Who per se, who could dual citizen now? Or say, don't worry at all. And here be a route me. Who per se with your British passport. Barbara Funinka. Are you for ne cra? Polish for one kro mo ntebro fo no kro mo mutim yetimi mo British passport edi entia omo lawyers nim de omo ye India ni woni ni kohie adwuma mu abrofo. What is your name? What's the matriculation? Enso so kra na ya mo British passport eno na lawyer say wa ba wodiem ye for mo Paul amante mo se edi kanfo wo se bra because omo no hwe niem egu omo ye niem amienu po o se immigration law family law into omo pabni mu ankasa o kan be see eye Zambrano energy break no Zambrano a couple of months ago abena skin pay ya me first what say wake up obi ankoye Zambrano e me say bi kura tutu yedin Madam Zambrano, me lawyers here on my program so there from last year no Zambrano. Emma will be a kotigumu so mo koye Zambrano. and now fedie say lawyer Zambrano no ena ye akisana a case no meboa.
Yes.
Obi ankoya akisana ba akisana Zambrano enye tunkofo gumu a Awurade adom ebinum nyaaye but that time no na ye former home secretary Miss Pretty Patel and odi ba abonten beka say Zambrano no onfa ma wo bibiara na emom obi a onya application da a wo hye British child and obema ne Zambrano na wa application that so akoye 2.5 years or first time now wo person wo koso chiba Zambrano no oso on fama Miss Pretty Patel wonie mami we yenya ne so da matekrasi so be stand for prime minister yenya ne so home secretary da yes only Miss Pretty Patel ono and ode ba Zambrano no ode ba say omma obi biara agise obia watimi wo British child ukra British child o first time no and obema wo Zambrano application ehon na lawyer kama ni besi na lawyer kasa ni mu no o ka say bia uti kromi ha woni obi ena etie woni obi twempena enipa na woni ne twempena no owo eba ne ba ne British lawyer say wo kan eba mu bia oni wo ba bi twempena oni ba na bi twempena na baako ewo ba oye British una ade akra ni ko school una ade ni ko PTA una ade ni ko GP lawyer say akwanya wo ho se enipa ne nyewukunu enso akwanya wo ho se wutimi yusu ne ba no na wugina so edeje enkrata aha na lawyer kiremu ema ne ba besi ya oje excuse ema me ba ye eti lawyer continue from Zambrano na kama ne besi ye.
Yes, please. Inti, Sister Abna, yes, I can a little bit about, and Sister Abna, wait a bibia within our community, no problem home. That settlement application, your time, please settle status. Yeah, fine. And I say, yeah. But now, could indefinite leave to remain. Me wo inkofo hudo bebre omo kache ye say oh unfortunately no documents are me here no me de be me indefinite no mintiminya it say no me ye ne den me ye ne hwea nye ye me ni EU sponsor no me na kasa bebre say no de me twa nye ye I don't know what to do because me here documents no they are jimmy indefinite yen nyaye nim say with indefinite, assess it on a 5-year basis, 5-year lawful residence. A 2-year for say, at least no within the 5 years, no the basis of why will 5-year leave no in the first place. Into relationship, no say a marriage, birth certificate, sometimes relationships do break down into within the 5-year period. No, ni personal documents are dia EU sponsor no inti ebetimi aye bank statements ebetimi aye divorce certificate ebetimi aye let's say things like marriage certificate. It can be anything that pertaining to that EU national no ewo ononi possession mo, especially ebetimi aye EU document nankasa ebia na let's say for example or Italian book and a Spanish book. And I say no the copy unhian physical no say more copy and fanya wunsu indefinite and also forthcoming on Vamao. Now what do you do to make sure say who can recognize it will stay with and then attention to me because what the final stage and unhian a boabia a bit push you ama settlement. Metimi akasa at Abinel Solicitors no ye share imranan kasa na ye san share home office guidance so boaw ema wonya wo indefinite so we sa nipa krobia unni documents no ensro even a cry so we will apply for EU settlement schema so we share application no more sometimes most of the time what forms no more bisa for EU settlement scheme number for EU sponsor no Nti say no EU sponsor no oni na ya ka no and I say separation aba and I say no uye den eje ne EU settlement scheme number. There's no way sa document no unsave kan. There's no way because our EU document EU settlement scheme documentation no. So we application no we are ebeto email no ana ebeto legal representative no email no. It is a woni sa access na and I said nipa krono ntimi mfam mawa afe na pressure abeto so but enesa wo hwe ye home office guidance November 2022 and making enough provision says so woni sa documents na ese omo hwe omo nyamam inti enhro uba abinel solicitors ye beboa wo sa kwan paso ye beboa ama wo application no emo aye hwiam ama na ye successful so we can help you with all such applications. Also no another update bia it's been lingering on since 2021 about 2022 mo still aye kitam sa update no is about reasonable grounds yen nyanim say before the 1st of July 2021, you ought to have put in your EU settlement scheme application, whether that be for 5 years or whether that be for your indefinite leave to remain. No, say by the 1st of July 2021, no, udibetum ama bibia aye. However, no, omudi bibi eba said there are reasonable grounds. There may be reasonable grounds that stop you from making such an application to the Home Office. What are such reasonable grounds? International said, why are late? 1st of July 2021, apa home say cry, meaning wo kasai, you will nipa bebrea EU settlement scheme, no, omo ye EU nkofoni bi, omo ye family, omo nyanye. Right, but omuji the old documentation nibi permanent residence omujibi and I say residence card omujibi and I say registration certificate nibi the old style documentation omuji ni nyabi but wherever they were no omwante say so na say we application no before the 1st of July 2021 Home Office no omu gusu kase mo amwanya application no in time no before the 1st of July 2021 no almost still are obetimi the applications aba into this year 2022 no ya applications bebrea sebe omo ye na late but yes so mu ye de call Home Office ma omo no omo de ama omo now yenka those people are omo relationship no and started before the 31st of December 2020 nye sankofo ne bi we mu ye ka enipa kro more 5 years no dada they've already got a 5 years residence card and now registration certificate permanent residence but omwanya EU settlement nintem sankofo ne nya betimi apply make a late application to the Home Office by way of an update me person me kai mo pass this 2022 and 2023 a year come by the grace of God no ye betimi ayesa applications na ma amana ye hwiam which means say ebi anasa time no omunya rashi say omu the application no kotumu no na we yare nti yare bo to ho want me anya application no wo de oto hu din wonim say obi akoye bi but still we bibia kama but omunya bisa for this EU settlement scheme mamin kancha say it's not too late ubetimi ayesa EU settlement scheme application ni a bebo hu ban. Apart from that, no ebi kra na IT computer esi hai untimi shedan using ye unye IT savvy internet say computer ukomu a unim de wo ye ana yenya nim say wo ye EU settlement scheme application a ese wo nim computer nsem kakra a wo de be your application ema aye successful nkofo sa wo hobby don't think say nkofo ni ho a omuye ebia young people or even elderly people are names computer use it into want to me anya EU settlement scheme and then Home Office san kai obium say late applications omuje. However, you have to have a reasonable ground such an issue is reasonable grounds ebi kra na domestic violence is you fear ho Nti one to me and not the peace of mind say obey your application no amana ye every crana physical health and mental health into depression to me to obia mental health illnesses to be to obia stoppable from getting on with your everyday to day life activities afe no abeye ye kakra wo ndro so say niama aye a bit better amount still unyel ubetimi aye a late application based on your reasonable grounds. Into that is another updater. Yeah, one more. Also, a few weeks ago, no, you can some about to the 20 years route. Anna, how do you make a successful application under the 20 years route? You can some be brave. You can even cry a court case be a unreported. Oh, mo can say. Onipakro or use it or be for documents at the year 20-year application no or multi demand or call court and or demand say yes or those say we use a different person's details yet the amount based on a juma why with that person's identity. Yenkai Pan said 20-year route no edasoye juma pan edasoye juma. However, it will ebefa said the usebe application how you make your application and how you present it. So Sister Abna, these are some of the updates we have for you towards the end of 2022. We have more, but I don't know, say time be permitting I got through everything in your auntie. Sister Abna, you take it from here.
Yeda eye lawyer ase epa yeda lawyer ase side of motimenka. Okay, very good. Lawyer kasa na lawyer me pacho o kan semba ku bia me pese wo sign eko ewo mu ha me busa for the second time because wo kasa no kase ye sa yiyufo de ne de ye kan wasema ye community ne de ewo mu pa enye ye community ne nko ba bia but Ghana ye na ye our we crowd the say our parents in the hono ye na ye sa our ne pa because you our Nigeria for any movie because Nigeria our both party no have to be there but Ghana there obi etimi ejina ho e de emau lawyer wo kasa no ka say obi o wa woni ni kunu aware was set emremuno omotena aware ni hodi even for 3 years and son no matimi ejai aware no yeah meaning say retention of right and na say ansan na wo bejai aware ne kra no so wo no be ye divorce I am referred to you marriage so wo no be ye divorce wa e was say wunya nipa ni current pay slips na wunya eye mo marriage certificate nyina e free enipa ne ho na wo de ba be a nipa no waira ode ne ho akansuo wuhu no mo ware wie ya was mentene kroma bi me go back to EU me go back to Europe and now say a nipa ne kranta wanta wa bi abamontam na emomo no e was say aware no ansa na abeja na host for at least 3 years and now say emremu no say we benya wo indefinite leave to remain through your spouse it was say worry continuously for 5 years and now what na krom here for 5 years lawyer say be a nipa na yira menemo kasa e wo kasa bebuo mu wo worry yi uni edu so no osememfa enuama wuhia no ema wo be a nipa no kura wode ne ho akanwura wode ne ho akansuo wuhu no enipa o introduce nipa ne ma wane ne ya aware no wuhu no lawyer say wo die bra ene lawyer we wo be kan ne han so sa da no de em se na wani kumunti no wan kire mu se ya nkire ye ya nte ase ene de wa ya de lawyer say wo ye sa nipa na bra wo de bra wo yira wo kuna yira wo koya no watena na nimo se lawyer emi mi kuna yira me yira enti minni ni passport minni nothing lawyer e kwan ben ena mefa so me retain me right e kwan ben ena mefa so me kwa akwaji me indefinite leave to remain ena lawyer sa kan settlement scheme na lawyer e kan no me wo se no bi bo ne nsem lawyer person o kire se bia wo betena akromi ha menka sa ukotokuro e de kuromi ha edo but adana ye settlement scheme no when you be amana sure ba mo amekurom ha meye but onioma no up to now kotokuro no eda so ha enti that means say uti kuromi ha uye yiyu ni uti kuromi ha wunye eye settlement no one mean say obia afen wanya won krata wo yiyu ana afei ene wo first time a wo ba ha enyo mo na lawyer ka lawyer meboa
Yes.
lawyer epeso o kire obia na wo kromi ha dada before 2031 na wo kromi ha dada up to date wonye wo settlement scheme wo say nipa na akonya ewo hode ma wo enti menkofre wo bi ewo Holland Belgium na go ka say sister lawyer bi wo sister abuna platform no so wo say nyina yemra UK no be settlement there bi obia bia na wo ntoma no ede kuromi ha ukotokuro de kuromi ha na mumu no ye settlement scheme wentimi ama ha meye me pa cho lawyer sebra bia wo kra sa time na wonim computer mu lawyer sebra obi wo ho na wonim bag na wonim say okura blue card you for first mo ba ha na ma mo blue card okura sa blue card ni binti onka ho enti wanye which is a tangible reason lawyer sebra na onye emfa emma and waka 20 years se mo be kaya lawyer Emi starting the first program omo de 20 years and about program is so me remfida 20 years no omo ne lawyers ombe ma ye hu say wo do obi nkrata ye adwuma wo kromi ha ye be chew by law ye chewa a criminal offense ba abena solicitors ma ye hu say wo do obi nkrata ye adwuma wo kromi ha na nipa na wo de ne nkrata ye adwuma no onsuro na wo be ma wo bank statement ni pay slip wa 20 years no you can use it to prove say hey matana 20 years old na me use abena scheme pay nkrata ena de ye adwu sorry ena de ye adwuma eno no ekuromi ha ban e wo so ogina so ma won nkrata e ma me busa ne say na lawyer na wo do nkrata ma obi ye adwuma no say the offense kesi o omutime kwa yen ede sankrata de etime yira British passport okra anase monkrata ya amunyinyai postman kura etime ba no ato atwene ba bi na obi afa na ode ato bi mu enti bi kura won krata no ayira ena nipa na fa na ode ye adwuma wati ase omo ena be ma ye ni da hosa adofo ena me pese me bie gap etum question bia wo pese obusa this week nyina wo hume ewo immigration and then the last immigration yeah because yenya a year into one of lawyers no baako ayenya media enunti enne for bronya ne de enne ye de nyame asasa ato ye ba bronya no de areho na abeja yen enne ne last enti costing bia wo peso bu se bia but enne ne last no omo ye adwuma omo nyina be breaki eye Friday lawyer Emi ebe breaki Friday enye ne last day wa adwuma obe breaki Friday enti no obetimi afre no ne telephone numbers nyina ye adwuma even 25th ne kura oye adwuma 25th na ye didie no eye computer is nanim oye adwuma enti question bia wo pese obusa se efa ene nkomo na wabobo so no ene wabobo bia so kakra awa yani e de akere yen any question bia me pa chow wo betimi afre ye wie adwumadie na lawyer owo mre e de ma wo bia lawyer wo frɛ na ono ankasa na befa no receptionist nothing wo frɛ na no afa osiminie enti na me pa this time wo frɛ na no pa de a receptionist befa numbers ni ye 00447502422799 another number is 00447502422799 004441751049 and another number is 00447861705200 mama say wa wo kodi banku ana akodi fufu and watches ano yo enti me pa chomo fa numbers no ento eye YouTube so ema me YouTube for busa eye lawyer personal number eye Abnel's Solstice ena ene ye no mo etwetwe eye enkomo no enti me pa cho ubetimi afre na wabusa any question bia na opese wubusa lawyer me pa cho ofra ma emo wudin ofra ya na wadi so na ye ko eye eno a enonom mon pick course ne mami. Okay, hello, good evening medafo. Hello, what's up? What's up no? Me pacholo wo because I said the make no me te wa wo ho so e wo ho nti wo be lo wo ho no e de amame ankebe ye me de pa. Aha lo wo ho no efa emame misrewa. Okay, hello me do for pa me pacho ye nkolo ye tie o.
Hello.
Yes darling, me pacho lo ye tie o. Ada monte. Hello. Me pacho me lo ye tie o.
Hello, Pacho. Because some people say, "Who are now we tell me right and say we need the fish to the no." Some people say,
What's utimi wa wo okromi ha wonya indefinite straight.
"There you could well."
Wo kuru wa. Eya no kre. Eya no kre. Eya no kre. Sa woni obi ware. Na se wo kunu no wawu a. Indefinite say na ya no do be okromi ha kra na. Ye ma wo indefinite straight.
Okay.
Okay, enu ankoku obi a o. Oh.
But okay.
Enu ankoku obi a, wankoku obi a. Ozo okay. Hello, me do for ba me ba cho wa won so ne yenko. Me pacho sister nya wa wan pacho enya wa. Hello, me nua be ma yenko. Yes darling.
Hello.
Me pacho mentie wo hu fru wa me pacho lo ye tie o me do for pa. Me nua be ma yenko. Me pacho lo ye tie wo bra.
Yeah, pacho me tie o no tie fo.
Ye jo so.
Me ba me the student visa ne buy.
Aha.
Me ta o mo send me message say o mama me 60 days. O mo so o mama me 60 days. Say me fan decide as to say melt na ha ana me nko like 60 days na chi me nko back. But me pese me visa say me so mo fa adwuma no hu metimi apply bi ama like me dey atwa.
Lawyer wote. Okay. Yes, okay. 60 days no lawyer 60 days no wonya sponsor obetimi asoshe. Okay. Bra lawyer so obetimi apadwuma na wo dey asoshe. Ye wi afre me. Why?
Pacho me phone number we are.
Me pacho why? Me pacho mama lawyer volume wa hama me. Hello me dof me pacho wa won so no yenko. Hello? Me pacho mi tie wo lawyer tie o.
Pacho man.
Aha me nua be manye wa. Hello? Okay, Gina so e. Me pacho lawyer tie o.
Pacho so say this lawyer. What the promo for it? I'm setting
O settlement in enya 5 years. Okay, lawyer me pacho you na no betimi apply indefinite.
It depends. They say the EU sponsor, let's say it's a warrior. Now warrior then so share the date of the marriage first.
Okay.
It just really depends on friend.
Okay, me pacho lawyer say it could be possible until friend no. Why? Why, sister? Sister. Yo. Hello, me dof me pacho lawyer number the screen is so why?
Hello.
Okay. Hello, me pacho yenko lawyer tie o. Wa what's up no?
Hello.
Yes, darling. Wa what's up pacho lawyer tie o me dof pa.
Okay. Good evening.
Good evening, sweetie. Pacho Gina so.
Good evening.
Good evening. Me pacho ya mamuntie mo home free mo ho.
Dan wo Ghana but we be 30 years. Na ewo ha o sai yare ni ade. Me pacho me da me ba wo Ghana. But we be 30 years. Na wo sai yare ni ade nti no me pese kwan ben so na metimi afa ne de na ba ha se.
Good.
But no ni me papa na ti ba me papa ewu.
Oh good. Okay, lawyer ose ne ba wo 30 years. Na ne ba no yare o depend on no ma me so so na ahwe no meboa. Sister wo na ahwe wo ba no ho. Sister, lawyer so wo ba no na ahwe no.
Me pacho ya ni ehwe no.
Okay. Pacho. Okay, Pacho. Ebi ana kwan wo.
Jo, me pacho lawyer see ye wie program na afre no. Why? Fredo no ni wuni nkomo. Hello, me pacho wa was no good evening sweetie. Me pacho yen kolo ye tie. Hello. Na wo do obi kwaka ho ansama menyi wo free so e. Me mefu no do obi ka ho an me hu. Hello, me dof me pacho wa was no yen kwo why pacho lo ye tie.
Hello.
Pacho lo ye tie.
Graduate route, but so bit me Ghana, but now restrictions be and that's why bit me about good day and
okay. Lawyer will be a graduate route where we school near man graduate 2 years or so bit me Ghana ba and how long and no bit me is there any restrictions?
Oh, bit me Ghana mo. Of course, not for extensive periods, throughout the course of the leave itself. But yes,
me pacho lawyer so bit me Ghana baba o kwa menche watch 2 months or so ba. Why? Okay, me da say. Hello pacho wa WhatsApp no yen kwa why? Wa WhatsApp no me pacho lawyer tie. Yes darling.
Okay, I'm gonna me that say me sure no it's my papa. Me pacho me pese me be lawyer to
me pacho busa no.
Yeah. Me pese me be say obi a ben
Nana me kasa won ti mo gina so wan.
Na wachia oba onsukuta iti num niema. Saa oba no obetimi no aya wahre na be ma no so dia agene bi.
Yo, lawyer me pacho yi na no e obi a watena ha overstay ya. Watena ha overstay ya no ahia oba no kura 5 years for den.
Permit 5 years permit.
5 years permit no ye den no nya ye me pacho.
Or the school nearby no switch.
Or switch.
Area school to.
Or the cordia carers care adwuma no tier 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Lawyer obia why overstay ya? Na ne yire ekura student carers visa. Okura carers visa 5 years obetimi e de amanana aware no.
Patro, and no, they in country application because why overstay work from her. So, oh, yeah, BB about it. They entry clearance application. So,
echo back to Ghana.
Now, prior now, or betting me, I can has a dependent, but they say, work from her. Only leave, be our one of them.
Onti me. Now, what about a lawyer? I war bemwe or banning him. Na I war bemwe.
A banning him, sir, walk bem quadia. Yes, a colano bet me a dependent, but Papa to me, and be yet dependent be a woman.
Papa to me, you so a crown and ye a crown 5 years in the home. Our carers route to no so no. Wow.
A colano and yet British settled and so, or did dependency and that's different. But who work from what staying quadia, you need to make an entry clearance application to come back in.
Into a banning or any crooning your mash egu, or in a year in your mash egu. ontimi nye bra me pacho what ya say lawyer say carers visa ne dey different from senka oyire no kura ebi you 5 years and ekroma 5 years dia enka wono woni ne nyima abetimi agibi but o say ye tier 2 visa ne dey o de bi ma oba na wo won qualify ene me kwampon lawyer na minimo se onya bi dia o monyemo dia akora ni benya bia ma be ma ne nso anya bi okay me pa cho any question bi apeso busa bra na menyi wo free so na me fo eno ano no for now okay me that say hello me dof me pa cho wa was lawyer tie o
yo ita na me cho ne lawyer
me jo so
pa cho me question is naturalization no and I say so exam no to me lawyer say go go bet me aye
there be o bra ma me pa cho point of correction lawyer bi enu ho ye exams
no exam system na make
what's me so lawyer ne so ba oba ni nyina ma pa cho there bi akwanya wo ho akwanya sa na mbeka say wa wo pe security wo pe construction wo kwa wo dada ma bi say enkofo ba no ma omutia be butu tables no mo da lawyer or see English test no so wuntimi nya say na abesi bia na na consultation
on frame
me ba cho lawyer wasere o se
okay the number no let's no
ai yo me pacho you me da say hello good evening me dof me pacho yenko
Abraham
yes
na kasano the person visa lawyer no kwa ba lawyer no nyame shani pa any nadin pa because consultation or charge you but good opportunity or yeah to manya no popo share no man no
now who buy no wa share
oh my Abraham share papa
what the ama Manchester for nyina ena mehu obudo wo so no
obudo mi ha mi share mi di komano video mi di komano
yo yenko ebusa lawyer do peso busa ne yenko
because we are person this we yeah every the passing me who na person this say does the EEE law no does it do they count that law to the 10 years long residence? They say I only about me to and unfortunately
me patron na in scholar why
we you can't a durable relationship we won't worry what I say and that is so now for you in the but unfortunately we won't about you and I no 1 year which man you retain right because about you know who where about and I will switch call yes and I'm going to 10 years long resident after 10 years long resident which are 7.5 years is it possible say 5 years now try office to me account to or 7 years in one to qualify for the
good question pa good question na wabusa no lawyer you know
okay what immigration rules so you will be 10 years lawful resident the route to settlement into 10 years no omo pese omo say 10 years break it that there's been no breaks in your leave for the last 10 years in the UK.
Good
into what when you're 5 years
when you're 5 years and as I say what's 7 years
good. Once there's no break in between the 5 years and the 7 years, now only problem.
Good. Nana, me patch off a lawyer why?
But lawyer no,
the number that the screen is so be no. And now test me say see I made the best and do.
Okay, Abraham, that's be.
Hello, me patch on good evening. What was on the call? Hello? Yes, darling, me patch on come here. Sorry, where you not watch a call.
Hello, good evening, Sabna.
Good evening, sweetie.
Leo.
There be one
Sabna,
I
me
school like
catch
Jonas.
me lawyer said.
Me patro mentie wo ho emfi wo ho.
Lawyer said.
Yeah.
Me catch one new.
Children so why?
Me person lawyer said. So one new kuna
Hold on for me. Hold on.
But be a more worry with you. Na munye aware o kata so. Na say but one new ma try say I want me kuno indefinite leave to remain. Na I want to member. Me patro any help.
Okay, good.
Yes, there may be help. There may be help based on your private life. Inti, please give me a call after the program.
Okay.
I will tell you what
Me patro lawyer say there may be a help. Auntie, please give me a call after the program. Why? Me patro lawyer and number and the data no. Onu ane mobile number eni na office number ni nyina or office abre ya ye wie program na ofre na obenya no. Why? Hello?
But you just have a phone and I'm in someone.
Me kasa from you lawyer ne number ne wo screen is no why patro. Why? Okay, me that say. Hello, me da for me patro wa was no yen call.
Good evening, Sabna.
Yes, darling, good evening.
Yeah, Pacho. Me what question very kakra.
And ye train no busamu tupe because line is why you busy one patro. Why?
Pacho
Yo.
Me Pacho. Me ba UK just a week ago. But as a carer. Nipa kwa ye process the man me say me a carer. But me be a domiciliary issue. But me to one man at the call promise not more teachers as services. And so na me a teacher e Ghana. And in Pacho for now, no meant me a switch any COS for teaching field. No.
Good.
And I'm a second question, and so soon say, my husband so apply be home office reply and say, it will take some time because of the date of birth issue. Me person me who say how long that it be because now no, the passport no
home office. Okay. Lawyer, what is the difference? Mama, you care no mama nurses for ne care no. Do I see what you didn't be a castle by your care? And so by a domiciliary no nyina ye care. If you are caring for somebody, nyina ye care. Me person who say me be put to statement ni ye the amount. But wo statement no say nipa ne de wo boss wo be ye care. Ampa wo ye health care assistant. Na emomu no ode wo ba no e bi o ka kire wo se wo be ye support worker. Ana say wo ba care home. Ana wan kase wo de wo ba be ye domiciliary.
Yeah.
And so na also put two question no. Ba domiciliary care support living omu nyina mo ye carers. That's what I say.
But the number of hours I'm promising, so that is not what we are getting.
Me nyankofo be brave friend me lawyer all the time. I think say I was say okay, unya employment lawyer. Nyame adoma new year no. One of my lawyers no be beba be can because my lawyers ni me nyina no maka no me employment lawyers. Connection mind for no mo de nkofo free Ghana ba no. Ene wo se mo no. Mo kire mo nuema mu ye because enkofo bebre lawyer frame ya the whole week no aye adwuma 1 hour 30 minutes obede tua ne danka Ghana company mo amwo wo company so kroma no munya mo nuema ye because ade no enye free mo fa nche wo mo enti so mo de wo mo ba mo make sure say mo adwuma ne nye. Okay, enti domiciliary ne ye ne sa wate and the two lawyer was teacher for adwuma no obetimi or wa harder than obetimi aye.
Yes, I mean it says if you have the experience and the qualification.
Okay, very good. Lawyer so obetimi aye so experience you can apply for it. And na wukunu so passport no home office so on train because home office are very busy. Why?
Okay.
Okay. Hello, me pacho wa WhatsApp no yenko. Wa WhatsApp no yenko. Me pacho wa WhatsApp no yenko. Hello. Good evening, sister.
Yeah, my my question is me was special status under EU scheme, no dada. When you are to Ghana when you're 14, and I'm me who say, is that a way I make you medina by your dependent?
Okay, lawyer, one need or person of any new 14 years, Edeneba as a EU dependent. Is it possible?
Unfortunately not. 31st of December 2020. Almost stop here, sir. Extended family.
Okay, good. Me pacho lawyer say unfortunately no. Why?
Okay, Medas.
Miss me that say. Hello, me do for me pacho wa was no yenko.
Auntie Abna Pacho
Me pacho ye wa boss.
You meet your own lawyer.
Lawyer Joso.
Any Edma Palmo, Makasama. Makasapa, I will reconnaissance. Now, me question, no. But the me who example.
Okay.
I'm the bizarre question.
Me pacho mate.
Man say me no many more can say. Ebia me na kaka me de gina me baso nya 2.5. Ana me nya 2.5 no so me say me got 10-year route.
Yeah.
Na sponsor tamono. Let me ask from 2.5 no. That's we shall kunya sponsor ni bi na bia makum 5 years no. Na
okay.
Me the abe shortcut na abenya indefinite after the 5 years na me the be call me sponsor na be yes na because actually imagine there be am see my friend because we be do me so o say last call na yeah from call.
Okay, lawyer, very good question. And what the abano because long stay for 10 years no ewa. And na ne bon so den. Enti so nya a switching of a tier 2 visa as a skilled worker visa na. E possible so what 10 years no. Obetimi aswitch the aba.
Of course.
Oh good. Oh good.
But so completely 5 years under the skilled worker route.
Under the skilled worker route there was so completely. To me, my aunt say ba kuno bebusa say wo ware ye 5 years ne 7 years no. Oh, that's very good. Bra me pacho lawyer say yes, ube to me.
That's just say no mo no be watching say bia obekọ na ebia kwoti say akọ pra akọ pesika na lawyer bia switch no abenya for abenya 5 years na ana say we kura no mo be boa because there no be yes idea me feel say we are team bia na obetime hu lawyer say there o che na lawyer team aboa no say
okay, that's good. Oh, me so me that so why I like TM very good question. Hello, me do for me pacho wa was so sweetie yenko. Me pacho wa was no yenko wutie hu on. Ma me fo before fro. Hello, me do for pa me pacho yenko lawyer tie.
Hello.
Good evening, sweetie.
Instagram person busa lawyer some kakra.
Pacho busa no.
Lawyer, my question is who are na your mount crata time ben na your county fees say you indefinite home office for a house your application na say the person who time start ayo akọju indefinite
o person who worry you ni enti e ma 5 years continuous yeah enti o person who say adana ye ma wo visa no e na wo be count we free akọju indefinite and as a date wo marriage certificate mana
date wo marriage certificate mana date wo ye application no
okay
you who so wo ko na start na
it started 5 years it started from the date on your marriage certificate into so kind 5 years say na 5 years as soon na say ubetimi apply for indefinite leave to yebetimi aya
so what this lady why be the same question or had am boa okay lawyer wonu ni kunu ene man in krata or 5 years me pacho first question lawyer say obe count we free adana ye ma wo visa no o 5 years no e na be count we free dey akoju indefinite e be ka 28 days to the end of for 5 years now and the application between or send the second question ni kunu now or worry no ni kunu no enkasa wo ba or what 20 years and our no mami so wo ba or what 17 years enti ni kunu no na ekofa na ba ase under you or ni kunu no betimi afa ne ba no wo 17 years no and on ni kunu ba no wo 20 years no dia ba na at this time.
Oh yes, joining family.
Oh good.
But to me, as you know, EU, no, there's no set time cut-off point for children.
Na ye free EU mu no.
Still Imrano.
Oh good. Sister, me pacho former lawyer, there be a me ba ha me say lawyer wo be ka asem no. Wo do na fa adwuma ne koma ne nye. What I say when timi ayakwere no. Enti lawyer say, bra, lawyer wa pagans sister gina so menko.
Me pacho say what worry EU national and you have to count from data.
Meba.
What worry EU national and they say we count it from the date of marriage. Mo worry 2017 to 2020.
Oh, okay. Also wa worry na EU ni na worry na. O be count from a da wo de worry ye no na de akojo visa. Why? O de akojo indefinite no. Me so me da say. Okay. Hello, me don for me patch last caller. Brown said Edu me so as last caller. Ah, also di me bro nya de ba na be hu me wa he na de ama me. Yo me da say. Hello, me patch yenko. Yes, darling, patch yewa.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, person who be shot a lawyer, man, Zambrano, no, because all Castellona, the honor country.
Okay, lawyer, me pacho was Zambrano a year Juma na, and I year Juma.
Okay, and see, for those are they are only limited leave to remain in the crown until the 25th of July 2022. So,
Enti etwem. Yo, bra me pacho etwem why? Zambrano etwem. Aye.
But on plan be the sister April June here. But on here we no.
Aye, not deadline ni June, not deadline ni June.
No, you June before here. Deadline.
Okay, or ye before deadline now. Who sister no? Now 2.5 or jen kratada.
No.
The first application. But now the first application. What me lawyers me be na dem omo ya na wa na ye ma de.
No, yeah.
Until you refuse no. Eh, you nuntia. You refuse na you refuse na nuntia. No, sir. There be a mama betie lawyers na mo dey say dem enti dey refuse na o say kan na lawyer. But obetimi assign aye biom because onye nkrata ada. Onye application that na wo say nkomo de ma no.
Yeah. Okay, but Obaya meka letter no say jama akwala no wa 2020. Oh
no after 2020. So we metie entia ko betie ya nko onye sa mistake no. Enya she akwanya foforo ho ma no. Why? Hello, me da me pacho yenko.
Hello, Mr. Good evening.
Me pacho good evening.
Pacho beti mini lawyer kasakakra.
Me pacho kasa lawyer to you.
Me pacho. I start now where there me question me busa ama me na me worry you ni na me ne jai that say my Jimmy indefinite but true me kunos. Ana ye de me maame ba krum ha. Iti ye maame 5 years. I say we twa 3 years me ni kru na jai ama say me Jimmy kuta me British passport. But I say me maame depend on me. It's no say na ibe wu next year me the 2 months without me kunu ne ma no me ametimi aye bibia manana because so depending on me now.
Ba still wu kunu visa na na okura me boa.
Ambi kuni de you no okuta Holland passport.
Okay. Lawyer or see with one be manager be man oso ohun no de ne ho akamura. Enti
But me de ma Jimmy British
yes,
passport.
o maame no.
Ya ba me maame no.
O maame no edru wa. We sister betimi do no ne document aguso ama o maame. Not as a meaning you dependent.
Okay, it really depends. So patromoji divorce and
Me patro lawyer so waji divorce.
Me patro my divorce aye bibia.
Enti wo di divorce na ko home office ama ma hu se mo ja aware ana.
Me patro Debbie.
Oh good. Lawyer se friend why?
Patro friend me why? Not me timbo. Why?
Me patro lawyer se friend no se mo fa divorce ne nko kire wo mo dia friend no why?
Me patro na istab na me me friend say me pa istab na me brother bi ontimi nya English language no ko bia na waye we say no na no na hu kwamiti se na lawyer ka say ye betimi abi hu no.
Ai wo de ko ne ko hu lawyer. Hello, me dof me pacho me sramo yen fa course bio ma mo frɛ no wa was in the last caller mo frɛ lawyer pacho yen kasa.
Okay, my brother chiamu nyina obi antie legend na ba last caller neme last caller neme fokwa bu fro so na ewuram last caller
legend na we use number foforo
we so ya media enti se we so ba ya me a mechia like lawyer ahofe
lawyer ahofe lawyer sleep
o do am ba na mani agio se maka tro se man ni dia ya na ho na mpesa meko emo
lawyer woni ni kuru na ti o
na mata maka
aha me dia me ka mama hu lawyer wo kra na e wo se da wo ko wo de wo kunu be kire ye e wo program yi mu why e wo se e ni wo kunu
manu ba ya na mani aje
oh yeah ai
timi kire nse mu ma ya ni jem ya ti ase ye ka
yo yam kwai ko question so
obi bi afinchi apa no obi bu say a question bi na me pese lawyer say timu ye e de mame say efa you know skill worker
visa no
na man ye de ba no ha say bi anipa ne ye care so to na so we ye nurse na wo head sector no na say bia me ni nipa no akwa akotwem pona wa me ne de kotwem pona wo ye no no kura ne 5 years no wage ma kola na lawyer say mintimi nya bi se me de kopa mintimi nya bi ade intira na say no so sa na say gise me try for 7 years and na say gise ma me nya indefinite na kola no konya indefinite ansa na metimi agibia na won say ntimu ye ma me na won so hia me
okay me that all right answer na ubetimi I rely on akola onyanya 18
legend mami fantasy eh
it's either say akola
fantasy
it's either say akola or indefinite leave to remain and now say akola the British national. These are the two things. Inti said akola by virtue of ni mame yes skilled worker when you know 5 years and then she said betting me ama ononso anya 5 years ni bi emrane entisa say papa pese onya emrane 5 years a dependent skilled worker yen kai say oni asitna wa hadada want me and switch it and connect ni wife dear no yes skilled worker so person dependency based worker no your spouse so God entry make entry plans visa application a sample as a dependent of a skilled worker so we need in class one so indefinite or two a British national immigration rules the crack our Patrick, that is how it's. And now say, EU, 5 years pre-settled status. Yes, but at the moment, after all 5 years, dependency visa based on skilled worker route. And non say, ni papa beti me adjina or no so adjina in krata wo krom ha enye dwuma saa. I hope say and no answer will question ye.
Masheda because you I just say next year oba de eya adom no obi awie mu mayen na ye san ehia wo biom timesrew eye Hannah Oprah or say please if you are on 10-year route and you have done 9 years 3 months there's 7 months left do you have to go for another 2.5 years 2.5 years or you can go for your indefinite leave to remain not just say or 9 months 9 years 3 months entiaka 7 years na 7 months na we twa 10 years na wi or person who say 7 months na aka no e wo so okoje another 2.5 years and now say or so okoje indefinite leave to remain so we twa 7 months ni wi
or just 7 months new year, a 10-year route to settlement into Ontario now or meeting requirements of life in the UK, knowledge of life, and English is able to pass this English or the English language test. Not just say settlement na all call for, not for 2.5. It just say it be a life in the UK, and now say English language test no one to me antra. Not just so or twice so a 2.5. Be some rena what to me a passing answer. So definitely no. So we're passing life in the UK and the English language test no. It is right to go for settlement and not for 2.5 years. So that's the answer to that question.
Okay, Joanna also can overstayer apply for the skilled worker visa?
Absolutely not. An overstayer cannot apply for skilled worker visa as an in-country application, except on making entry clearance application now or to be the necessary sponsorship or to be back into the UK. Indeed, that is not possible if you are an overstayer, unfortunately.
For obi biara waka ye ho ene ye da mu nyina ase some kan ye ho ene anadwe me pamocho obi biara enfe lawyer ma mo frɛ no me pamocho me fa course bia ebiom lawyer Emi number e wo so wa abotre ona ene ne last day to obeda 12 am 12 am enti no wo frɛ ne tem bia be frɛ ne bia wo benya no na me ya na me prefer so be buku appointment no akohu nanim face to face lawyer me da se bebre last week me nya nipa 6 a wo mo frɛ se Awurade adom wa bie GP ede amomo akọ GP access to the GP omuni nkrata enso no watimi aboa amomo enya GP nyame enhira o friend lawyer Emia obeje wo so ne number na ye pini the screen eso no entime pacho ye wie dwumade na obetimi afre no wo Ghana bebia global bebia wo bia ene ye kan school ho asem kakra nyame ya domo next year no January eno ne beka ne gidi ena eye prime minister enso so aba be kasa na ye bedi bronya entime mpese nkofo ye mbehehye no prime minister kasa say asylum seekers no obehemu kena adwumadie na Pretty Patel de babeto ho no na me feel say lawyer krabe ma ho update dwumadie na Pretty Patel de ba ye Rwanda no na yanyeso oba be ye free ho na emomu no sese no obehemu kena oso obi biara obi wura kroma illegal no yen detaining no but nyame ya adoma ye bedi bronya me mpese obi aye mbehehye no menam akwanya we so tu obi biara fo me pa wo chew eye 25th yempie ye shedem edidi bia opese wo kosra wadanfo obi ye party wo fie me pa wo cho me nka nkire wo se menko se woni nkrata baabi wo ho a obi frɛ wa enko woni nkrata wo ye nurse wo ye student fasha wa adwene mu se wonni nkrata wo kromi ha enti men konkoya dia e de criminal record ebebrem o working visa na crown at any time in point yetimi twam when you student at any point in time yetimi twam enti no mema wo wonya wo de efutuo na mede ma wo pafa o ma amini ha na ma me abitufo lawyers ne de omo de omutomu fi 25 from kiri lawyer problem aba or say wire the money in the account mama mema bill enti advice amede ma wo no make so ma advice I won fe no ma on the auto kiri lawyer or say wire the money in the account say na 25 kwa double charge lawyer meboa because 25 ufa mini carbwa ye jo double enti mesre Ghanaians obi a wutie me baby a wo bia hye wo dem kotodo no nyame ya adom a memenda ye 24 Kokumasi market baby a wo bia Ghana shop ben wo ukotodo no no atotwofi bia wo ye single a won kwa wote ana free Bragu catering services wo frɛ ma me Bragu sister ye aduane ma me lawyer me wi am the sister bi number be ma wo send ye say no ukoba ye wo nwa fa bros no this year men wo aduane enkogina kitchen kura no abre Bragu catering service obebre wo wache obebre wo jollof obebre wo jollof obebre wache obebre guinea fowl unim guinea fowl yeah obebre wo banku with okra stew obebre wo mutio with peanut soup any palm nut soup obebre wo lawyer you will love you serve 15 people obebre wo salad different types of salad obebre wo coleslaw obebre on kati cake obebre wo chinche mu kan say ayi chips bi no chinche o se debende enyema wo de bebre wo no lawyer ukunu wo love.
Oh wow.
Lawyer onie we ye last year parcels no ba kunie obo ye parcels ni mienu lawyer ni nyina no 320 pounds ubedimu 1 week stroke new year enti this year no lawyer me pese wo tena se woni wukurumo ntena se ene wo ma wo tie me menko obi fie nkohwa ene wanya police amane enko obi fie nkodidi ene wanya police amane woni yiri wo kromi ha frɛ Bragu no onya aduane wo hyedem na wudi wade odi koku beka ho fanta na wonom fanta na bra no wada because minimum de meka lawyer 25 bia minya Ghana ni bia wotimi frɛ anti me call pap we koto salato a ena 25 bia Ghana ni ye che no mesraw enko obi fie this year obi frɛ wa wo sempacho me ama no aduane enye sa enkuko funu na esensen ho no koto bi wo twia mekogu ho bebre no ache lawyer me pacho kasa na yenko o message a odi ma wadofo na yenko afishia pa.
Demeka etifo a omu hwe yen nya na dwi is a merry Christmas to you all, and we are wishing you, Team Abinel are wishing you a blessed, graceful and beautiful 2023 ahead of us all. May God protect you, guide you, and order your steps. Now, if there's any issues, whether it be immigration or family law, please, it doesn't matter what the time is, and matter time no, and matter day no, fraying where your office line, fraying where your office mobile, na yen nimum bonkomo, na yen solving more problems in mouth, because we'll get that excellent result that you're looking for. God bless you all and enjoy the holidays. Stay blessed.
Sama nkwa sorry kwasiada eye bronya. Entie bia na nkwa soro motena se na mo we petition na mo kunu bo na wo yire bo a frɛ no because lawyer 25th ntokwesi fie pa omo tenase no omo buru bia anya we to ne nan na akobo we yaso mpan na we yaso no ukunu bo wo yire bo a fre lawyer fre no na ne nkasa se lawyer me kunu abome eno kra de enfre lawyer because e ya agro mo an ma buru makowe ma petition na ma buru ena mo buru mo ho enti eno kra de me enfre lawyer ade echi a etetemani so a na masiesie mo ntem wate but obi a wanya amane because ukunu wan sheda enti this year no alcohol in your house because me pay problem anything na me pacho contact a lawyer ye ma wo official pa within the short months I know ye adwuma no ma making impact e wo ye community no emu ye appreciate mu a lot yes campaign outreach yes ye ni team ye appreciate mu pa ewrade onhira mo nyamensha na lawyer menye yi ane no nkyerese menyi bronya ade o obi be ka se bronya ade wante.
Oh yeah, skipping with you bronya ade special so bia
echina na wo ye udi na no okay any absent lawyer ye be kasa why nyame enhira o medase pa eye lawyer Amy ena ye ne no etwetwe enkomo no adofo ne etiefo bibiara afei ena wachi ne en every eye Monday bi ne lawyer Amy etena se etwetwe enkomo eye immigration and legal etena se etwetwe enkomo wo pe lawyer sakuku dem dia abana campaign and trade platform so na wo benya wo pe kwan a wo di bewura mu wo ye krom ha wo ye yuni wo Ghana ba bia wo bia no me pacho wa heya ena woni e betena opportunities bia ba eya heya ena obenya no atie ewo ahasei na won soso a wo kromi ha a wonni nkrata akwanya de ebi wo ho one aware ni ho but another akwanya wo ho a lawyers ame no mo ye programs nyina ofre wo bia na wo kọ ho a obema wo hunuoma ekọ ewo eho ye de nuoma gugu akwan mu e de ema obia medin e de Abonance campaign Ghanaians oko obi man so a na wa bomoden na wa pe baby de wo ho agina da bia me kasa asem we obi wo be kasa sister Abona de opekasa me pa wo chew ehia sorry e na wo kọ pe asori ekọ pempaibo ekọ enena I don't think se me ye program empo ene o hwe black ya maye ya obrempo bi etutu esumbi emunu abetoyen se obi enimo anada bia wo ka kiro bi se momie mompaye hwe lawyer mu nyina ekọ holidays wo wakọ holiday se yesi edi bronya enti ekọ holiday asori nkọ holiday empaibo nkọ holiday because obonefo no ono wo mreo ono wonye off onye holiday onimu 25th onimu 24th onimu 26 enti ye wo holiday no Bible say ye mompaye ewo abra ye mre ho se ye bedi bronya obonefo ma ne ho mene so o attacks no edoso efiri baby adeba ye ba bedi bronya hwenioma esisie within a week sinie no enkofo a omawuo UK aha Archbishop Frimpong Manso nie enipa omo ewu adadem 2 days ago na me papa kasa enipa wo Ghana fo omawu wo kromi ha adadem uncountable student a wo be school ha a wo ma be wu wo kromi ha uncountable bra sister wo tena ho ama obonefo na sesa wo life ansa no watwehwe ogefo wo tena ho ama mo de yare bia to so bra ansa no wape empaibo bi de akọ osofo ntimi nye won kwan mala mu ntimi nye won kwan na emomo no ye waje nkwa bia ni din de Jesus ono ena bronya yinti ye nyina ye ba be di bronya ye be waje nkwa ne de amaye da bia me baso a me sempaibo koso ya wada bia ye bompaye ye dia paye frapa ye dware ya paye ye di ye mu ne se ye pe baabi akọ ye pe enkwagye bi echira kwan aden na wo so mepesa ankwaje ni bie o how bi da wo so wo ye adwuma wo sika ba bedru £1,000 so pe na bibia bebom wo da ya obeda no obi ni wo be so da ye no obi ni wo da enti ama ware pa no sister wonya ware manimonyam bra wonya ware manimonyam wonne wo yire na tie enso so wonne wo yire da kra sabi wo homma because unim obonefo na ware wo sunsun mu da bia bra ba so da ye bia na ono obi da enti ama aware na wutimu no wani nye bra sorry ne be bompa ye wate obi beba no abeda saa at the end ode yare ne beto so ode yare ne beto so enti wo tena se amobonefo na se wana me kan for Christ e de amount abra ye bedi bronya imu no ye ba bewo agenkwa ne de amaye no mesra wo mentena se ya wada eye last Thursday ana me bo akosi ya wada ye last Thursday mon check mame ananya last Thursday last but one me boa eye last but one last ya wada ye 22nd yes eye last but one bra mentena se sorry bra ne mompaye and my sister be friend me no share ne testimony what friend was the emergency our God cannot do does not exist. Now all start was ma bna me ba wo program so media me hwe wo da bia na emergency our me maso me ma emergency our so na me da ha ya wada wo ye nurse ni o se me da ho ya wada no da bia wo kasa momra me mompaye me da ho no man kwa dwuma e na bibi push me say abena skin pace ya wada bia mo bompaye o so mo di apaye enti me nko oba so no oso oba so ape and our test say God locates me o se wa na prophet Greg Bonidin prophet Bonidin na prophet Frase prophesy e fa na ware e ho aware ne so a o se be ma na de ne ba kurum aware no agija obi akọ ne ba bi o se na prophet Frase e ka na ware sem me woni me nkasada o se prophet Greg e ka na ware asema na o de kọ ne ba so o se ne ba wo 15 years akura na yare e da faako for 15 good years e wo Ghana e no aba abrochiro akura ne yare ada ho for 15 years e wo Ghana it was a prophet Bonidi prophet hye ne nkomfa na ware ho e no hye ne nkomfa ne ba ho e no ka kye ne se ohu se wrade e peja akura no ampa wose ye wie program na de chiye efiada o maame e na ehwe akura no because akura no ye wu akura no e na eto yare eto akura no so ne testimony no ya wada mo betie because last week ya mo testimony nti testimonies ne doso o se yare ye to yare gu akura no so enti akura no sebi akura ni tie ye kakraka e na oda faap ne ba ne nsore ne ba ne ntimi mpeja ne timpo ye so ne ba ne timi apeja no ama na duro ama na duane odafie for the first time 15 years ne ba ne timi asore eye ya wada woman ne freye onhu de wonye bra sister de wu komu no enye kwa yare bi ne de atoso ye de amane bi atoso ye de eka bi atoso wo medi prison akonia ba nie bra wo tie me when we school all degrees ebobo dem enso wo nya adwuma nye aden na wo tena se aden na wo sorry wo twen wo maame ana wo twen wo papa so mebo mpaye ma wo me pa wo cho hwehwe Christ akira kwan ya wade bia ye wo di mampaye ye bompaye edi apaye edware apaye efra paye ekanchi apaye ema wo suru bie ye bompaye na awurade ebie prophet Greg ani awokasa enye prophetic platform na emomu no ubaso a bie wakoma mu se wo betie awurade asem because okanyame asem ne kire yen se wo gi asem ne dia na sa asem ne betena wo mu a asem na ye nsankyerene wo wabrabom asem na de nkom hye eba wabrabom enti ya wada me pese me hu wate o se me dream pai boso a me nya daje kasa because minimum di awurade ye wo don krata ko home office ye refuse repeater refuser bra aha ye home office edru ya wada eho ne man krata emergency awa ne man krata kwasiada ne yisu krata emergency awa ena impotent ebema eye adwuma emergency awa ena wo bia wo peba enyaba obi a ope kunu nya kunu emergency awa testimonies awurade madoso obi a wo court osuru bie enti mesrew ya wada bra ye ba bewie this year we say Lord have mercy on me, don't pass me by. Emre na kanisa ye were just few days to end the year 2022 e bi ade bi a wo hwehwe expectation bi emaye but ene a wutie men wutia bonus campaign a me wo me fasting yemu ene me ka kire wo say awurade wo ntwamu nko awurade wo nsan wo ho ya wade nyame ya adom abra masade ne nya wo mpaibo enka echi o se mfi apem ye ne dako na dako ye ne mfi apem enti die na wo hwehwe a edin ma wo no awurade wo say is there anything too hard for me debi bibie ni we ye no awurade ne kana ene ye ne den soso aware wo de be ma wo awo wo de be ma wo ye de diabetes atoso blood pressure atoso cancer atoso yare ene ye de atoso ewurade se ayaresafo ne memewurade bra ti ya wada emre na aka no sister obi koda ye wan sorry obi koda ye okoda ye ade eche ne yire se wawuda dem Archbishop ne me kasa wose bra bia na yire wu agya ne ba owu ya na eme se bia munyina matete ma me ne wu ya na ne ba ne wu ye enti ne kunu no e na ahwa akora girl na bra ne nso so ne akora na koda ade achi akora ne konyane ne papa o papa ewu just last week Friday me so me ye program ha lawyer me ne ye program ono so a lawyer baako ade achi ne yiri konyane na wawu last 2 weeks enodi ne birthday wa tone car Range Rover e de esi wo tie groba enkansuo da obi antena mu da ye be deliver car no ene ye de car no si car so ene e be yisi ne fie enu nti na me hye black okọ tie rover esi ho Range Rover esi ho moma ye nhwehwe awurade akira kwan na ye mompaye wate obi obeka tro se men kọ bompaye no ka che nipa ne se wo ye bayinfo you Satan get away from me na me kanfo eye Crown Eagle e de amount se hwehwe Crown Eagle akira kwan buronye kọ ne kwaje ka afache wo yire kwaje ka afache wukunu obi an kwaje ka no deposit required me pacho owo any credit low credit krana Crown Eagle Limited is a free woman no money woni eye ensa woso eye tap send ene from me pacho tap eye raffle kese pa sendisika utimi sendisika from now up to 29th of December eye 2022 year raffle kese take it to Ghana or more ma blenders or more ma cookers or more ma nyoma bebrebe microwaves bebrebe it will be sendisika enko ago wo se amen eye Diaspora Funeral Insurance nyame adoma new year eye Diaspora for be ba be raffle bi e wa ha sei omo be yi nkofo a omo register e wo mo company no enipa 5 no ma che omo ade e wo senke be ye no enu echina but because of lawyer no ewu ewo ni ntino menye program entino nyame ya adoma new year ombeba aba beye obia secure ne ho mepacho na wuwu achi no oma ene obusuafo anko ye mobo eye Brago catering services ene eto ne sa from me Brago se bra 25th onye wunuane owo limited se kura wo se me frɛ no minim so onye nipa na wi a ma me Brago ewo limited people a oye ede enuane no ede ama wo mo mepacho de bia ye kotena kitchen ne ye nuane ene no momie sese no ensa no kakra wate mama difference emrem spices emrem ya na ye bread do wo ye nurse utie me last year nurse bi wo croydon na ni jejeje wo ye nurse o say auntie me ba time a me ye aduane ama me kunukura no na masan abre wo ye nurse wo ye carer wo be kwa akoye domiciliary ebe nante up and down wo aduane ne kura no watwe me pacho Brago catering services 320 pounds se wanka se ukodidwa obedidwa brosa empoteki ne kura no you are looking up to maybe 150 pounds muko waitress okwa akoye mo shopping a mini baby obi ato ne turkey every day but oko shops ni bi ma turkey ebo eden enti me pacho Brago catering services na oni ne eni ensa woso nyame ya adoma the same Brago ya any in collaboration of Don Folklore omo ye Afrique Fest eye 2022 ewo eye North London eye 26 ye di abobon kase mu nyina wie no ano de obi mpie wonne wukunu wonne wo yere wabusua oma wonamfo wonne obi court a mokoship partner wonne no nyina monko ekukuo I'm sorry emekuo memekuo mu nyina monko eye Afrique Fest na monko didi ticket no obenya bi wo event bright ana wo pe ticket ne bia obetimi a contact Abundance campaign na wajibi eye Kumasi market ene efre no Kumasi market say obi amra emedinu Easter bronyadwa ewo Kumasi market ewo Peckham wo kone wudi dwa eye 50 pounds a oma wuyi ade bia wo pe ewo shop ho odidi mu bronya wo kwa wo se me pe miss race eye Kumasi market ewo Peckham enti obi ankodi ni dwa ewo Kumasi market na me pa cho obi biara emfre snacks mesra mo snacks nyame ya adoma 24th eye ne last day a obeye pastries o fresh snacks our sister me pa cho me wo Manchester me wo Milton Keynes me wo North London me wo ha obe package ni kama no dia me DHL kama o person wo cho obi ade a wo ma snacks ye pastry na wo di ni dipeni dia abo ho o seje nefa koma eye nana ekuya jemfua address PO box ni nyina obeye ne kama no atworo beautiful message ede atoso na odeko intime pacho contact eye snacks for all your event no eye pelito obi amo ne se mapel o pep sheto papa sheto sham sheto wutimi di jollof rice sheto ye didi salad wo will be da me pacho contact no so sa obetimi awoda bronyen o jekoma we no the address atoso no the message kama na ono so ede atoso ede amount de hibium yo me pacho o pese wo ye care ewo Ghana na wo care no wo de care certificate ebe krom ha as a healthcare assistant me pacho wo betimi a contact Thames support ana wo contact me a me de omo numbers ebe mawo Thames support wo contact me a me de omo numbers ebe mawo en na wo pese wo ye security badge ana pese wo ye construction wo pese wo ye English and maths me pacho English and maths no enye English ade kwaje British passport enye English ayede kwaje indefinite leave to remain where ye English ayede ko school English awodi ko school university ana college ama ye tua woka me pacho wo tworo brofo na no wati wo tworo English na level 2 level 3 e na ade akọ university untimi ntwa brofo no wo da me pacho contact me and I will test me o si anti abena good evening she na obi a me chat me anka say hi send me a SIA me feel what would get good evening ladies campaign on say obi be frɛ o say abena na ma pokyere mani hwe ni di ono de nana Nana Manchester de bia metiaw de bia wo frɛ me a abena metiaw ene me papa ne ban ka ha me send discipline ha so still won se sanda wo frɛ ana wo test me a good evening, good morning, good afternoon, Lady Skimping. Please. And I would dear one chia me kra. What test me? I'll say, please, can you send me SIA English care? And I would dear nyeshe kra dear troke. Never test me. Me the best and do. Now what ye hi. Can you send me this? Meanwhile. You me da wo bibiara se nyame ya adomo a ya wada me ne mo betena say happy birthday in advance. Saturday akwantu mu nsemo maso but be a birthday yinti no meba be your program. Happy birthday kasiye pa in advance. Emma Prophet Greg me pa chow. Hey, lawyer ye dia hardwin. Lawyer ye dia. Send me this year me ye madwin say birthday we say no. I will hip it no. Monfa Prophet Greg photo ento so mame. Monfa ni photo ento so mame. Monfa de no we Israel no emu bia ento so mame. Ye Prophet Greg. Ewrade use prophet we. Yen sanchirene. Yen your marcus here, Jimmy Pefri walk how any amanemu, Emunti Nidi, any the oracle of God. Where the name calls me mendana na mode toso Emma me pono ani photo, Obi biara muame. Nami wish this great man of God, the humble man himself, the prophet of our end time. We pe so for wa ho brase, or what tema, or what time. Owo wodo edemme pa Prophet Greg nyame nhira wate wa ho brase a ewurade namoso esa yare ewurade namoso mo penkrata enya bie omo ma ware asai wo mukuna firifie eba ni a wo pebe ewurade namoso ma ne ba ni a ne ba eni kidney ewurade namoso ma ne bie enso ni nyina chi no wa ho brase mu no prophet. I salute you. Happy birthday in advance. Akwasi de wunsu photo no nya bi. Happy birthday in advance. Nyame ya doma yawada. Don't mix emergency hour because ewade benam ne birthday ne so. Na wode yimpunkyere bibiara afiri so. Enti mo a mo frase a mo celebrating ni nyame nhira mo. Pela do bia Pel me da se nyame won shiraw mami se wa koto mami nyame on shiraw ade bossing ade nyame on shiraw Mary Biba nyame on shiraw Joyce Jefferson o birthday present no me ana meje ye nam de baaye nyame on shiraw moi edini ni ha Brago Kitchen Services man Brago nyame on shiraw moi munyina mo celebrate Prophet Greg mo de birthday present ma no ewrade nhira munyina baby a wo bia yi sika bia free bia no ewrade nhira mo de na toto mo WhatsApp mo de na to ye mo profile mo celebrate no mo appreciate the oil of his head no ewrade emma mo so yen celebrate mo. You will never get dry. You will never in your life get dry. Your pockets will be overflow in the name of Jesus Christ. Eradi onshire munyinara. Medama say, nyame ya adomo a menemo ebetena say yesen nkofo send me mama don't mention my name, don't mention my name, don't me momudio. Me mobomudi why? Eradi onshire munyina medama say nyame ya adomo a menemo betena say menemo be bompaye eye Thursday on emergency hour. Skipper fan club for mama mo nsemo mama ho maya de monyere mo ho mpaye no mama yinkinwom mo 1 week fasting and prayers no monyere mo ho mama inkinkom because erade ne ye di ne ye de say Thanksgiving Skipper fan club erade adom say ye nyina obia won krata mi hu bi da ekuo ben ene wo kromi ha ewrade adom ewrade ne ye di ne ye Etimo fasting, you know, and then me beke platform no so me who so be any abre gidi. Ekua ye fasting and prayers. Oh, Ewurade. Woni ye dini ye wate. Ewurade nshira mo ma mo bom pa ye to platform ni so. Pela dobia, pel. Nyame nshira wate. Ewurade nshira mu nyina ma mo ye praises de to so empire. Oh my God. Ewurade nshira mo. Skipe fan club nyame nshira mo. Medamase. Me did the young antechua, and maybe I'm discovery for Europe. I come a bush for Ghana. No, me used to tap send, tap send. No fee mobile money transfer. Aye easy, aye convenient, aye fast. And sounds so you free. Won't you share? Me discover aye map him. Tap send. Intienne. Also download the tap send app. No, ever mobile phone so free. Never see kakomo a bush for Ghana for na. Tap send. Papa no. Me did the young antechua, and maybe I'm discovery for Europe. I come a bush for Ghana. No, me used to tap send, tap send. No fee mobile money transfer. Aye easy, aye convenient, aye fast. And sounds so you free. Won't you share? Me discover aye map him. Tap send. Intienne. Also download the tap send app. No, ever mobile phone so free. Never see kakomo a bush for Ghana for na. Tap send. Papa.
At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you are not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed.
Hello, official pal. Merry Christmas to you all. This year, Brunya, the brutal. What am I talking about? This is the tap send Brunya Achedia from tap send to you. All you have to do is to send $200 or 200 euros or 200 pounds, and you stand an instant chance to win exciting prizes every Thursday to the end of the year. So what are you waiting for? Send the family members the money. Let them also celebrate Christmas. And by doing that, you also stand a chance of winning exciting prizes from tap send. And the grand draw is on the 29th of December, where you stand a chance of winning air fryers, blenders, televisions, a lot of prizes, and free air tickets, 5 of them. Tap send. Send the people the money. It's easy, it's convenient, and it's reliable. Hello, official pal. Merry Christmas to you all. This year, Brunya, the brutal. What am I talking about? This is the tap send Brunya Achedia from tap send to you. All you have to do is to send $200 or 200 euros or 200 pounds, and you stand an instant chance to win exciting prizes every Thursday to the end of the year. So what are you waiting for? Send the family members the money. Let them also celebrate Christmas. And by doing that, you also stand a chance of winning exciting prizes from tap send. And the grand draw is on the 29th of December, where you stand a chance of winning air fryers, blenders, televisions, a lot of prizes, and free air tickets, 5 of them. Tap send. Send the people the money. It's easy, it's convenient, and it's reliable. Hello, official pal. Merry Christmas to you all. This year, Brunya, the brutal. What am I talking about? This is the tap send Brunya Achedia from tap send to you. All you have to do is to send $200 or 200 euros or 200 pounds, and you stand an instant chance to win exciting prizes every Thursday to the end of the year. So what are you waiting for? Send the family members the money. Let them also celebrate Christmas. And by doing that, you also stand a chance of winning exciting prizes from tap send. And The grand draw is on the 29th of December, where you stand a chance of winning air fryers, blenders, televisions, a lot of prizes, and free air tickets. 5 of them. Tap send. Send the people the money. It's easy, it's convenient, and it's reliable. Bam. Hello, official pal. Merry Christmas to you all. This year, Bronya, the brutal. What am I talking about? This is the Tap Send Bronya Achedia from Tap Send to you. All you have to do is to send $200 or 200 euros or 200 pounds, and you stand an instant chance to win exciting prizes every Thursday to the end of the year. So what are you waiting for? Send the family members the money. Let them also celebrate Christmas. And by doing that, you also stand a chance of winning exciting prizes from Tap Send. And the grand draw is on the 29th of December, where you stand a chance of winning air fryers, blenders, televisions, a lot of prizes, and free air tickets. 5 of them. Tap send. Send the people the money. It's easy, it's convenient, and it's reliable. Bam. Hello, official pal. Merry Christmas to you all. This year, Bronya, the brutal. What am I talking about? This is the Tap Send Bronya Achedia from Tap Send to you. All you have to do is to send $200 or 200 euros or 200 pounds, and you stand an instant chance to win exciting prizes every Thursday to the end of the year. So what are you waiting for? Send the family members the money. Let them also celebrate Christmas. And by doing that, you also stand a chance of winning exciting prizes from Tap Send. And the grand draw is on the 29th of December, where you stand a chance of winning air fryers, blenders, televisions, a lot of prizes, and free air tickets. 5 of them. Tap send. Send the people the money. It's easy, it's convenient, and it's reliable. Bam. Hello, official.
No. Me did young touchwa and maybe I'm discovered for Europe. I come a for Ghana. No, me used to tap send. Tap send. No fee mobile money transfer. Aye easy, aye convenient, aye fast. And sounds so free. Won't you share? Me discover aye map him. Tap send. Internet. Also download the Tap Send app. No, every mobile phone so free. Na first ka come abusuya for Ghana for na. Tap send. Papa no. Me did the young touchwa and maybe I'm discovered for Europe. I come a bushing for Ghana. No, me used to tap send. Tap send. No fee mobile.
Toya,